Hi everyone. It's March 22nd at about 9:11 p.m. and you're looking at Stock Market Caddy's intraday or intra-evening swing machine. And if you follow CNBC and follow the mantra that you cannot time the markets, you cannot have been following us because we have been timing the markets day in and day out, week in, week out, month in, month out for the last 10 years. You're welcome to go back and look at some of our videos. You're welcome to ask directly if you want some of our members. But you're looking right now, real time. This is the futures market. On an hourly basis, this is how we're positioned. Short entry on the SPX, but short on the ES. We went short on March 21, one contract up 4,550. The Russell went short today at 5 this morning, up 2,000. The YM went short on March 21st on an hourly basis, one contract up 4,670. The NQ on an hourly contract went short on March 13th at 3 p.m. One contract up $9,390. What we do though, when we trade intraday or intra-evening, we use this as our barometer and then we trade intraday. To give you an idea, this position on the NQ went short at 4 p.m. is up 1,500. After being long and short, short and long, long and short, we had, I can't tell you how many trades. We had a bunch, just a bunch of trades. Folks, we also offer not just the intraday swing machine, but we offer a video view of the swing machine, and then we also have a timing service. And I want to show you our Nicholas timing service that works off of the closes. I'll show you where it's positioned real time. Okay, everyone, this is our Nicholas timing model. This is the symbol. This is the Russell futures, the Dow futures, the ES futures, the S&P, the NASDAQ futures, and the VIX daily component. The VIX went long on the 14th. We did not get, because the markets were also positioned long, that is not a confirming situation for us. We like to see the VIX short and the markets long, or the markets all short and the VIX long, which is exactly the combination we got when on the 19th, because the VIX was long and these were all fired short. Real time, one contract, just one contract in each of these markets, and you would be up $19,680 some odd dollars. Just one contract. How does the Nicholas work? The Nicholas first is a daily timing model. The signals come in every day, every night. It's meant for anywhere from a few days to 5 or 6 days. Sometimes they stick around for a couple of weeks. We can't really say, but they come in at 5 p.m. They're based on what the indices are doing. They are based on what the 10-year bond is doing, and it is based upon what the VIX is doing. They are proprietary strategies running on each that assimilate together to generate these signals. Ask our members. I'm happy if you do. The VIX is absolutely stunning. It put in these positions. It hung around for a day or so. We were up 500, down 500. I think our drawdown was at most maybe $500 or $600 on this particular position. During the past year, we have had we've only had one losing signal. It cost about $6,000. We had one drawdown of $6,000 that went on to have a high watermark of $72,000. We had one drawdown of $7,000. It was one on the long, but it stayed with the trade and went on to make 30 some odd thousand. Beautiful payouts. This is in addition to everything else we provide our members. We have the swing machine itself, which is a proprietary system meant to chase down the trends. Very difficult to move off of that, and for reasons where you're not a member, I can't show you that, but I can show you tonight how the Nicholas is set up. and it's now just cresting over 20,000. There's no telling. We've had, as I said, we've had high water marks of as much as 72 grand in one contract in each of the 5 markets. Once again, I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. Feel free to follow us. Feel free to check our Twitter stream. We put out just 2 days ago to buy gold at 1221. It's up 2 or 3 grand. We put out a call 2 or 3 days ago to short Amazon. You can add up the points. We we have put out more calls. I don't know, if you're getting it done, great. Keep doing what you're doing. But if you're not, and you're tired of listening to the same old shit, the same old garbage, or you're watching somebody do chart after chart after chart every night and buy the moving averages, which don't work, folks. I mean, this latest move shows you the moving averages do not work. Our systems are not based on moving averages. So feel free to follow. Better yet, feel free to join. Our memberships are month to month. They're designed that way. We want you to come in and check us out. If you don't like what you see, you can just drop it. Very, very inexpensive for what we provide. And the reality of it is, we know, we're confident in our abilities, that we don't very, very rarely ever lose anyone. I'm not going to say no one. Maybe if somebody moves away, but I think everybody we've had has been very, very happy. We work very, very hard. I work 80 hours a week, so I don't have to work 40 for someone else. And we're happy to share with you our signals and our talents, and mentor you along the way so that you can go out and play your game. Feel free to call me, 813-758-8263, 813-758-8263. Time is moving on. It's not waiting.